So let's start ripping this thing off. So this will the position of my headset. So let's remove these things and you will be able to clearly see this. So these are the places we can fit these things, right? See, yeah, it nearly fits there. So yeah, that will be the place where I will be stuck in. In empty there was a place, but in fly racing they haven't. They haven't made any place for modifying anything. This is the worst right now about fly racing. I won't advise buying fly racing in India because they don't have any parts here. You have to like import all the parts, and it's very expensive. Man. Here are the pieces. Some helmets have deeper spaces. For that, they have fillers, which we don't require. For here, we have these ones, and one. Yeah, here the two for 2 earpieces. So let's stick them up. Here, number one goes. And here goes number two. Here were my ears straight. These are set. Now it's time for setting the mic. Because the mic for this one is very big, and I have to give some space to it as well. So here it will go like this. Here, and it will be covered. Yeah, to fit. It won't hinder because there will be this guard, right? This guard will be there, no? Yeah, this guard will be there, so I won't be feeling anything. Yeah, so that will be the place for the mic to go. So here are the mic stickers. Again, let's do it like this, and then let's press it there. Here it goes. So here it goes finally. Here it is. So when the mic is set, and now we have to just put this earpieces in the places. Short one goes here. It's here. Now the big one, I will just and go to here too. This is set. Oh, this is all secured. So this is a headset. This is the clip which goes here. You can actually stick it, but I just prefer it loose because it's easier for me to slide. Okay, and here goes the module, and it's locked. Here the click. Then we got this. We have this, or you can go like this. I prefer this side one. It's better because it does not look messier on the sides. So now the I was like about these. I have to just fill in these. You see, these like go effortlessly. Wires are thick, and this goes effortlessly. Just don't pressurize too much. Slight push and it will be in. Slight push and it's in. And it's secure. Yeah, it's secure. So, all done and dusted. Now it's time for the final thing. How's the sound, right? So we'll check it right now. So time for the final test, and we are now going in. So this is how it is charged.